National Monetization Pipeline. The global investors encourage to extend financial support to the projects. Asset monetization is most important. Global investors expect to push for independent investment managers for the boards of the investment funds. Example, National Highway Authority Structured Investment Trust. The major investment attracting companies, the global investors are expecting to professional bodies as investment managers for to protect their investments and also to attract wealthy investors. Their expectation is less involvement by the government or public sector enterprises so that the investment trust manage professionally with fast decisions and perfect administration, perfect implementation. And also expect that large means major investors be part of the board for taking decisions of the investment trusts. The global investors are going to invest from their pension funds or some other deposit funds or saving funds. The same is the case with domestic investors also, maybe mutual funds, systematic investment plans, unit holders, bonds. All these investments are invested with the obligation to repay to the policy holders, deposit holders, bond holders on time as per schedule. So all investors expect better quality in management, accountability of the management, responsibility and perfection of commercial management without influence by the regulators or administration. Because fast decisions need fast implement, commercialization needs fast decisions and fast implementation. Any delay in taking a decision or implementing a decision may lead to loss of income and loss of investment also. Out of these global investments, majority of the investments may flow towards national highways because now there is a lot of demand, lot of need of roads development in India. So there is a fast improvement required in infrastructure sector of India, and that may be roads, power, railway projects, ports, energy, water management, irrigation. All these projects needs huge amount of investments, and that is also for longer period. And if that is possible with the help of global investors, it will be less costly because global investors will be ready to invest even for small amount of finance cost. We have seen Japan is going to invest major share bullet train project from Mumbai to Delhi. They are expecting the rate of interest may be around 2 to 3% per annum. If the same is the case with India, the rate of interest may not be less than 12% per annum. So the huge gap is there. If the low finance cost funds are available, the burden will be reduced on the project. Any disturbance in revenues also may not cause damage to the loss of income or investments. These are some of the good news for the Indian economy happened during the last week, the month of August 2021, and the future proposals of IPOs to come out in the month of September 2021.